Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing in and opening Google Calendar so you can act immediately. This saves time and avoids permission delays. Once done, verify your default time zone and sharing settings because meetings use those values. Next, pick the date and time slot in the grid and click or tap to create an event. Make sure to use a clear title and set the duration. This prevents double booking and gives attendees context before they open details. Now, add the core details: title, exact start and end times, and choose location or add Google Meet for video calls. Then, add guests by email and set permissions, allowing modifications or keeping organizer-only control influences RSVP. Also, include an agenda and attach documents so attendees prepare. This increases meeting effectiveness. Once you've configured notifications and visibility, review conflicts shown under suggested times, because resolving those now avoids last-minute rescheduling. Finish by reviewing guests and settings, then click Save and choose Send to notify participants. If this is a recurring meeting, set the repeat pattern and exceptions before saving, because changing later can confuse attendees. After you send invites, monitor RSVP responses and update details as needed. If something goes wrong, no invites sent, wrong time, or missing guests, check calendar sharing permissions, guest email addresses, and time zone mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.